Ako si Sadness. Malungkot ako. Comfort mo naman ako. Oo. Hoy! Gigil ako Gigil? Ba't ka nakatingin? Nagilamos ka na ba? Tinan mo nga yung mukha mo, oh. Pag may nagsabi ng Shrek, tinan mo? Di naman sa pinag-overthink kita, pero nakita mo ba si Joy? Kanina pa kasi siya Cherries! Susunod na. Ito na, wait lang.
Mama, saan yung birth certificate ko?
Birth certificate mo?
Opo, kailangan ko lang sa school.
Saan nga ba? Ay! Ito dito.
Teka lang ah! Kunin mo! Ibalik mo ah! Baka mawala mo ha!
You the main attraction. Lights, camera, action.
Ooh, la la la, la 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 la. Ooh, la la la, la 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 la.
Yeah, say it.
Excuse me, have you seen my boyfriend? Boyfriend, have you seen my boyfriend? My boys, have you seen my boys, have you seen my boys, friend?
But you've been so hard to touch, 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 touch. That about you way too much, 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 much. Overall, I think it us, 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 us. But you've been so hard to touch. You couldn't have me love, but you've been so hard to touch, 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 touch. That about you way too much, 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 much. Yeah, you wanna mess it up, 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 up. Cause you've been so hard to touch. You could've had my love, but you've been so hard to touch. First you open and I'm closing. You can't stand the thought of a real beating heart. You'd be holding, having trouble owning and admit that I am hoping. I want to lose, let it run my mood. Can't stop thinking
Of another Arabian night. Arabian
Can't touch me like Gojo. Look good at all my photos. Just landed in Kyoto. I'm worldwide, these bitches local. Arigato. Arigato. Can't touch me like Gojo. Look good at all my
Eating ramen kasi natatakot ako sa yung umamin.
How I wish you let me know. Sino-sino pang tinatawa.
Ano ba, hindi nga ako nasisiraan ng ulo? Kasama ko yung boyfriend ko. Kasama ko si Gio. Mia, wala kang boyfriend. Maniwala ka naman sa amin, oh. Mia, lahat ng lakad na ginagawa mo, lahat yun, imahinasyon mo lang. Madalas noon, kausap mo lang yung sarili mo. Eto, tingnan mo yung mga sketches mo, ha?
Kung ang Tagalog ng yellow ay dilaw, tapos ang Tagalog ng white ay puti, pwede ba kita makasama hanggang ang buhok natin ay pumuti? Boom! Bars! Play Dilaw by Maki.
When they're gonna stop breaking my heart, I don't wanna be another one. Made for the things I never done.
Hello sir, may I take your order po? I'm sorry, why did you call me? What did you call me? Sir? You called me sir?
Sorry, what's your name po ba?
Carmen. Sir. Tinawag mo talaga ako, sir? Don't you ever call me sir. Dapat Carmen lang kasi we're all equals here. Lahat tayo pantay-pantay sa mata lang.
Eh bakit tinatanong mo pa nakita mo na pala kami? Eh bakit mo siya binigyan ng stick Eh yun lang pala Dinala mo pa yung lunchbox niya. Ano mo ba siya? Sumagot ka! Please, sumagot ka! Nagmumukha na akong dito! Huwag kang sumigaw! Huwag kang magsinungaling!
I just know she's my alibi.
Guys, if Santos yung apelido nyo ba, pwede kayong mag-ipangalan nyo yung anak nyo ng head, shoulder, knee Santos. Please, please.
Mama, maglalayas na ako. Dala ko yung 10 pesos kong ipon. Di nyo na ako makikita. Kahit 2,100 pa. Palis na ako, ma. Doon ako sa malayo. Palabas na ako. Sara mo yung pinto,
Good. Bago pero mas masaya magmula nang nakita ka. Lubang wala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko.
Pwede lang kitang tagain dito. Naiinis ako. Naiinis! Kung pwede lang kitang tagain, nagawa ko na! Tatagain kita nagiging. Kung nalusot lang ako dito sa screen na ito, tatagain kita!
Excuse me, have you seen my boyfriend? My boyfriend? Have you seen my boyfriend? My boyfriend? Have you seen my boyfriend? Have you seen my boyfriend?
Saan i-rate natin siya? Ba't i-rate mo? Wala akong pakialam, self. Bakit nagagalit ka na naman, self? Gusto ko lang explain bakit mo i-rate. O bakit? Ano ba sama doon? Sa tingin mo may karapatan ka na sabi-sabihan ako? Oo, dahil self kita.
Wanna live a life.